Hey, what's up guys, it's Travel with Austin, and today I'm at the Aerojet rocket facility, which is on Aerojet Boulevard in Fresno, California. Now, first of all, when you first get here, you'll see this abandoned building right here. It's got some interesting graffiti on it. I can't quite describe that emotion. Here we have a bug. Hello, bug. Now, going up the stairs, we have an abandoned building. I'm gonna crawl in here. Seems to be a lot of trees thriving in here. Interesting. A lot more over there. Is that bamboo? All right. Going on to the next room. Seems we have a hoppy boy over here. Hello, Mr. Hop. Ooh, exposed wires. Looks like we have an abandoned restroom. For those interested. Gonna have to blur that out. Now in here, looks like we have the rocket room. Whatever that means. Now I'm gonna use my phone's flashlight at this point. Now folks, I must tell you I'm incredibly nervous, but I am also high on marijuana, so that kind of cancels out some of the fear. Okay, nothing to fear, just a bunch of wires and possibly wasps. That's a pretty cool building. Yeah. Shoot, my flashlight is still on. I got a conserved battery because I ran here. Nice 6-mile jog. In the sun. It's like 88 degrees right now. Whatever. Let's continue this. It's like a half mile to the rockets from here. Ooh, an open gate. It hasn't even rained here recently. What the fuck? Okay, maybe it has kind of hurricaned. Fuck. There's flies all around me. God damn it. Fuck off, cunts. Should I wade? I might just wade. Ah! Fuck it. Are those sharks? Oh, this is a bad idea. Do I want my shoes? Do I want them on my conscience? Yeah, these bitches are old. It's fucking... You owe me, Austin. The path of least resistance, I guess. Oh, I'm getting bugs all over me. Fuck you, bugs. God damn it. Oh, it's some nice, clean Everglades water. Fuck. Alright. Hey, what's up guys, it's Travel with Austin, and I'm correspondent Yale, doing a video for Austin here at the Aerojet rocket facility. Now up here you're gonna see a channel of water, no big deal. Already crossed 2 of them, you can see back there. Fuck, they're birds. Ah, shit, fucking bugs out here killing me. Alright. It's very warm water, as you will see and hear, but not feel. Bugs. I'm disturbing your biome. Fuck me. Okay, it feels really good, but like, I don't want to be trespassing on Everglades water, you know what I'm saying? But I did not see, oh hey bird, I did not see a no trespassing sign, so, you know, I'm just on the birding trail looking at all these cool ass birds. Look at that bird. What's up, bird? Fuck, it's hot. Alright. So rocket facility is coming up here. At some point, hope soon. It's really hot out. but not too hot, you know. Anyhow. What's up, bug? There are chickens out here. Pigeons. Fucking pigeons in the black lights. Ooh, finally. Sun's kind of going behind the cloud. That is good news for motherfuckers interested in survival and warm temperatures. Okay, here we are. Now I'm remembering correctly, Austin said that fuck off, bug, the rocket thing with a big hole in the ground, which I'm interested in. This just looks like a garage. Yeah, that's where they parked the security cameras. Fuck off, bug. Sorry. I gotta talk to the bugs. It's psychological with them, you know, you gotta get inside the mind of a fly. How do you get inside the mind of a fly? Person who, wait, shit. It's overheated. I'm talking to myself. Okay. God damn it. Oh shit, it's still recording. Okay, well, that was weird. Anyway, I thought it kind of overheated, but maybe it just kind of resumed. Either way, I'm gonna turn this Frank Ocean off real quick, because, anyway. Okay, so here you see people have been very disrespectful to, you know, the rocket facility. They've done donuts. They haven't preserved, you know, the integrity of what a rocket stands for, which is sending man away from Earth for whatever reason. I don't fucking know why, but you know, teach his own. Teach his own. You know? So over here we have what's called Graffiti Alley. Destruction cursed by humanity. Oh, maybe that's why. Huh, interesting. I love MILFs. Bike life. Ooh, dude, there's, okay, I swear, there's gnats here, but there's not gnats like on the entire fucking path. Like, god damn it. Hey, fuck off. This is a birding trail. I have every right to be here, not to be bitten. Okay. Sorry I'm doing a bad job of narration, folks. I'm just getting eaten fucking alive out here. God damn it. I can bear it. Like I said. Fuck. Okay. This shit is helping though. Gotta make it tighter though. So these bitches fuck off. Eek! They're eating me alive! Oh my gosh! Okay. So I assume Austin's gonna be muting this audio. Anyhow. So over there, some shit. Eek! Please stop biting me. I'm in survival mode against these fucking gnat things. Alright, I'm not wading through any more fucking water. Fuck that shit. Fuck off, cunt. Ah, excuse my language. Excuse my language. God damn it. Okay, hold on. I gotta adjust this shit. Fuck off. And fuck off now. Eek. Where'd my hair tie go? Get out! Ah! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Gotta personify everything, don't I? I don't know why this is a good spot, but might as well be. Alright. We're good. We're in explore mode now. It's DLC shit. You unlock it when you unlock the Florida biome. Alright. Now, as I was saying, no Russian. That was a Call of Duty mission. Okay, so I only have partial vision right now because, you know, the other half is covered up with this shit. But, looks like someone was drinking alcohol out here. There were strict prohibition signs, at the gate where I parked Austin's vehicle, which, yeah, these bugs ain't got shit on me. Fuck you, cunts. Fuck you. Oh, okay, stop it. Just stop being such a meanie. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. That's pretty cool. I'm out. They are ruthless. Pull shit over there. Pull shit over here. They're not as bad out here. It's gonna seem so light on the way back, hopefully. God, I run through the fucking swamp. Can't believe I ran through the swamp. Could have gotten eaten by a needle. Or a Jedi. Alright, what's going on over here? Don't be overeating now. I'm gonna cool. Fuck off, bug. You ain't got nothing on this shirt. Alright. So as you can see, there's a lot of abandoned stuff here. I don't really know what it's for. Austin's gonna have to edit the piss out of this. Okay. That was boring. That was kidding. That was very cool. Yeah. More cool if there bugs are trying to fuck me life over. God, fuck off. Austin, if you're listening to this, please next time buy the sunscreen that's like 2-in-1 with bug spray. If we're in a climate where, you know, there's like a lot of bugs. Okay, thanks. There is a bug on the camera. There are 2 bugs on the camera. Fuck off. You can't be here. Ow. I'm itching. Yeah, that's right. Fuck off. Oh, you think... Alright, that looks like the same thing over there, and the bugs are bad. So I'm gonna start running back, because these bugs are horrendous. So, amazing launch site here. I assume this is, you know, where they launch shit. There's a giant X on the ground. It looks official. Could be graffiti. Vote in the comments. Let's travel with Austin. Are the oxidation or some shit? I don't even. Alright. I really don't want to walk those swamps again. God damn it. At least it's cloudy. Okay. Bye.